Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look right here. This is perfect for this season. I really hope you love it, and let's get started. So for this look, I'm going to be using all Maven Beauty products. The first eyeshadow I'm going to be applying on my crease is actually the eyeshadow next to the white eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure you guys were able to see it in the beginning. So I'm just going to be applying that eyeshadow all over my crease. Next, I'm going to be cutting my crease. This time I'm actually cutting my crease using this cream eyeshadow by Maven Beauty in Coquito, and I'm going to be applying this, of course, all over my eyelid. I'm actually going to be winging out my cut crease this time. It's not going to be like the regular cut crease I always do. So after I finish cutting my crease, I'm going to be setting my eyelid. I'm going to be using the first white eyeshadow from the Soft Blend eyeshadow palette. The first palette I used, the first white shade, I'm going to be applying it all over my entire eyelid just to make sure it's set and it's not going to move anywhere. So after that, I'm going to be using my Maven Beauty waterproof liquid eyeliner in the shade brown, and I love this eyeliner. Maven Beauty eyeliners are like the best. I have the black one. I have all types of colors and they're great. I highly recommend them. Alright, so now I'm going in with my eyeshadow palette in Define from Maven Beauty, and I'm going to be using the brown eyeshadow and kind of like smoking out my eyeliner, and that's what I'm going to be doing here. And I love the way this came out. So after I finish doing my eyeliner, I'm going to be moving on to the rest of my face makeup. So I'm going to be applying primer, foundation, concealer, and all that, and then I'll just come back and talk to you guys again. For blush, I'm going to be using my blush by Maven Beauty. This is in the shade Culture. This blush is so pretty. It has like these little sparkles in it, and it's just amazing. After that, I'm going to be applying highlighter on my nose. I kind of stopped applying highlighter like on my cheekbones, you know. I don't know, I just stopped liking it as much. So I'm just going to apply it on the tip of my nose. The highlighter I'm using today is by Maven Beauty in the shade Dripped Out. And yeah, I'm going to apply that. After I finish doing that, I'm going to set my makeup using the Rose Water Setting Spray by Maven Beauty, and this look is all completed. I really hope you loved it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.